If you have a job and you're not doing this one thing, you are literally leaving free money on the table. I'm talking about a Roth IRA, one of the most powerful retirement tools available in the United States. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to open one in 2026, step by step, even if you've never invested a single dollar before. It takes less than 15 minutes, and it could change your financial future. Let's get into it. First, let's quickly cover what a Roth IRA actually is, because the name sounds complicated, but the idea is simple. IRA stands for Individual Retirement Account. It's basically a special type of investment account with huge tax benefits. Here's what makes the Roth version so powerful. You put in money, after paying taxes on it, then that money grows completely tax-free. And when you retire, you take it out tax-free. That's right, zero taxes on your gains. Compare that to a regular brokerage account, where you'd owe capital gains tax every time your investments grow. With a Roth IRA, Uncle Sam doesn't get a cut. And here's another huge benefit. You can withdraw your contributions, not your gains, but what you put in at any time with no penalty. So it's not completely locked away. That's why so many financial advisors call the Roth IRA the single best investment account for most Americans. Now, before you open one, let's check if you actually qualify. There are two requirements. Number one, you need earned income. This means money from a job, freelance work, or self-employment. Investment income doesn't count. But if you have any kind of paycheck, you're good. Number two, your income can't be too high. In 2026, the limits are: if you're single, your income must be under $153,000 to contribute the full amount. If you're married, filing jointly, under $242,000. If you're over that, don't worry, look up something called the backdoor Roth IRA. I'll cover that in a separate video. Most people watching this will qualify just fine. In 2026, you can contribute up to $7,500 per year if you're under age 50. If you're 50 or older, you get a catch-up contribution, bringing your total to $8,600. Now, here's something most people miss. The deadline is the 15th of April 2027 to contribute for the 2026 tax year, so you have more time than you think. You don't have to put in the full $7,500 all at once. You can contribute $100 a month, $625 a month, whatever fits your budget. Even $100 a month adds up to over $100,000 in 30 years, thanks to compound interest. You can open a Roth IRA at almost any major brokerage. The most popular options for beginners are Fidelity, completely free, no minimums, great for beginners. Charles Schwab, also free, excellent customer support. Vanguard, best for long-term index fund investors. All three are reputable, regulated, and have been around for decades. My personal recommendation for beginners, Fidelity or Schwab. They have the most beginner-friendly interfaces and zero account minimums. Okay, here's the actual step-by-step process. I'll use Fidelity as an example. Step 1, go to fidelity.com and click Open an Account. Select Roth IRA from the list of account types. Step 2, fill in your personal information. You'll need your social security number, a government-issued ID, and your bank account details for funding. Step 3, choose your investments. This is where most beginners freeze up. Keep it simple. For a new investor, I recommend one of these two options. Fidelity Zero Total Market Index Fund. FI's ROX, zero fees, covers the entire U.S. market. A target date fund automatically adjusts your investments as you get closer to retirement. Don't overthink this. A simple index fund that tracks the U.S. stock market has outperformed most professional investors over the long run. Step 4. Set up automatic contributions. Link your bank account and set up a monthly transfer, even $50 or $100 to start. Automation is the secret. When money moves automatically, you never have to think about it. Step 5. Done. Seriously, that's it. The whole process takes about 10-15 minutes. Opening a Roth IRA is honestly one of the best financial decisions you can make in your 20s, 30s, or even 40s. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound and grow completely tax-free. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe. I post simple investing guides every week to help you build real wealth one step at a time. And drop a comment below. Are you planning to open a Roth IRA this year? I'll see you in the next one.